So what is the difference between civil protection order, temporary protection order, and a no contact order?
Yeah, so a civil protection order is generally issued by the Common Pleas Court here in Ohio. And it is a civil standard. It can be issued for up to 5 years. And it can come with conditions such as um, requirements to attend anger management or other therapies. It eliminates your Second Amendment rights to own a firearm or possess a firearm. And it can also include conditions such as um, ordering individuals to pay mortgages and utility bills for the duration of the order. It can order individuals to abstain from consuming alcohol or other drugs. Um, so it's a more long-term solution that courts use to keep individuals away from us. Now, a civil protection order can be issued for a variety of reasons that don't require domestic violence, but domestic violence is one of the potential elements for the issuance of a civil protection order. Now, a temporary protection order, or what courts more formally call a criminal protection order, is similar in the sense that it can have all of those conditions, but it only lasts for the duration of the criminal case. Now, it is a separate order from the criminal case, and therefore it can be prosecuted as a violation of a protection order, which is another criminal offense, which also carries very serious consequences and oftentimes is very easy to prove on the part of the prosecution. Sending a text message, an email, an accidental butt dial of a phone number can all result in a violation of one of these protection orders. Now, you can violate a civil protection order as well. The last category, the no contact order, can't be prosecuted as a violation of a protection order because it is generally referred to as a condition of bond. So your bond can be revoked. And your bond can certainly have these other conditions: no consumption of alcohol, seek out an anger management or a mental health assessment. And while you're being prosecuted for these crimes, in many cases, you're not allowed to own a firearm. But it does not have the consequence of potentially being prosecuted as a VPO, violation of a protection order, if there's some contact there. And it also only lasts as long as the criminal case is in place.
Okay, so so they have at least some variety in these protection orders, and that way it's not just like one blanket statement. You cannot go home, or they really take into account the situation that the person is being persecuted with at the time. Is that right?
That's exactly right, Erica.